Tempe Town Lake. Try to find it?
Yeah.
You couldn't find it?
No, I didn't.
You think it fell in the water? Or?
I truly believed I was gonna find it too.
Really?
I was like, that's why I held back from calling, because I was like,
oh, how long have you been out here for?
I was like, it's gonna be somewhere.
Can I film you? Is that okay?
Oh my
you,
god!
please? I'm not. I didn't yet, but I'm asking like if you want to be in it or not. No? Can I film the job though?
Sure.
Okay, cool. I didn't get you in it. Don't worry. But if I did, I'll edit it. So, yeah. You don't want to be on YouTube tonight?
I'm so weak.
You're my YouTube star.
You really said how long you been?
How long have you been looking?
Like,
Should we go for a run and see if we can find it, or should we make the key?
No, I'm not running anymore. I'm tired.
Oh, okay. How far was it? How far did you go?
3 miles.
Oh shit! Never mind. If it was like a 5-minute hike, maybe, but no, I'm not going 3 miles. Definitely not. The last key I did over here, he was walking across the bridge or something.
Yeah.
No, sorry, they were like on those scooters, right?
Mm-hmm.
And they were going across the bridge, and some guy bumped into him, knocked his key off into the water, and then just kept on going, didn't stop.
That is so rude.
So his key like fell in the water.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's why you asked, huh?
Well, I thought maybe like if it fell out of your pocket and then it bounced,
Yeah.
hit the water, you know. So you're gonna come back tomorrow and look for it, or you're not gonna?
Should I?
I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. It won't work anymore, but I can add it back in. So.
No, I'm not.
No.
No.
Oh, you don't come here a lot?
Yes, I run a lot. I come here all the time.
Oh, so there you go. Maybe you'll find it tomorrow.
Maybe I will. You know what? Maybe I will, especially since I run like the same.
The same path?
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. If you run down Tempe Town Lake and you see a key, make sure you put a, well, first like and subscribe, and then put a comment so you can return it. She really wants that key back. You have the owner's manual in there, though?
The owner?
You have the owner's manual or no?
What?
Do you have the owner's manual or no?
For what?
I'm curious if there's a key code stamped inside there.
Oh. No, I don't even know.
You don't have it?
I have no idea. Probably not.
Did you buy the car brand new?
Nope.
No? You go to like school here?
No, I already graduated.
You graduated? What did you graduate with? Or in?
I'm not working right now.
Oh, you're not?
No.
Are you looking or?
I guess.
You guys? What was your like major, I guess?
Social work.
Okay. And then what? Decide you don't want to deal with people?
I just like want to
Okay, good. Hold on, sorry. Say it again?
Like I've been applying. I applied at like hotels, restaurants.
But not in your field.
They don't see my work because they're rejecting. But
I thought you said social worker.
yeah. So
Why?
you think that they would hire me
But why are you applying at hotels to do what?
to be the receptionist up front?
What's that got to do with your major?
I work with people.
Oh, you should. I mean, yeah. I mean, I would apply like.
I don't want to work in the field anymore. That's why.
Oh, okay. That's what I was asking. That's a lot of money to spend on school and not do it. Okay, what am I doing? Yeah. Okay, we're doing the A side first. So we got 1, 3, 5. Question mark. 1, 3, 5. Question mark. B side. 4. 4, and then 4 or 3. Took a 3, but we'll just leave it as a in between. 1. Put 1. Question mark 5. Should give me one option. So. Ooh, no match found. Now I put the wrong thing on that first one. Let me see. So I said A was 1, but I put a 2. So 1. All right, we got 3 options. So I do have to narrow it down a little bit more. We're gonna put a for that one. All right, 1 option. I'll show you what I did here in a second. Let's cut you a key. The car's open. I don't know if you want to go in it, but
Yay.
let me take my tool out real quick. Is it possible you locked them inside the car, or definitely not?
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? So it's possible?
Maybe.
All right, let's check that first. Oh shit, you might be in my video.
Please don't. I'm camera shy.
I'll have to edit it.
Okay.
I'll have to edit you out. Why, you think people will recognize you?
No, just like, I just don't. I don't know.
Well, if you change your mind, let me know.
It's like an insecurity thing, you know?
Yeah.
That's why I don't like to, like, yeah.
Where is it? There. I actually have to pick this tool back to take it out. I'm trying to find the last one.
I like the name of your business.
Thank you.
It's cool.
I appreciate it.
Stands out.
All right, tools out. Car's open.
Let me see.
Go ahead. Did you go in the trunk at all? It was just a key by itself?
Yeah, it was just a key by itself.
No house keys?
Yeah, I don't see it.
You don't see
So I
it?
don't think so.
Okay. Do you have house keys?
I,
You're able to get in? Okay, good. Did you go in the trunk at all or no? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna cut the key, okay?
okay.
If you had a big following on... Uh-oh, I dropped that piece. If you had a big following on TikTok, then you could, like, send all your people my way. Uh-oh. I didn't put this piece away last time. Trying to find the piece that I need to cut this key. Hold on, let me do that one. Oh, there it is. Lucky.
So, like, what if, like you said, like, you stop at 7?
Yeah.
You just, like, if someone, if your phone, like if someone calls your phone, you just don't answer?
No, I usually answer it.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't answer Saturdays, so I turn my phone off on Saturdays.
Oh, that's your off day?
My off days whenever I want. I work myself. Been here with the machine and say it again.
There's, like, you know how people do their little setups to, like, ask, like, their girlfriends out and stuff?
Okay.
He had it set up out there, and rush to meet his girlfriend, and there were some people like standing around waiting for him to come because they wanted to see.
Oh, just to be his girlfriend, not to be like a...
Wife, nothing? No.
No?
Girlfriend.
Oh, just a girlfriend?
Yeah, that's what you gotta do. You gotta go all out because then you know that when it's time to be wife, like it's gotta be 2 times bigger.
Uh-huh. What year is your car?
2020.
I wonder if this machine will do it. We'll try it. It's definitely not going to pull down here. Great. Where's my last key? I'll just use it right now. Let's see if I cut it right, hopefully. If not, we'll have to figure something out. Oh shit. Oh, it's working. Barely. Oh no. What did I do wrong? That's locked. Why is it not opening? Could have swore I put this key right. Oh, there, it's working now. Why is the key not working?
Why isn't it working?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. It's not going all the way right. Should be. Worked on your door lock. Is your door different? Alright, it's working here. Is your door different?
My door?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. Let's put this camera down for a minute. You know what?
What?
I think that's actually going to be a very good angle. I didn't even look at it when I asked you, so let me leave it there for a minute. And if it doesn't, then I'll let you know. But I'm going to check your ignition. You're saying it's the same, huh?
Yeah.
Say it again?
You're like taking measurement.
I'm going to. So first I got to pick it. And then once I get it to turn, then I should check here. There we go. Yeah, I checked your door lock. I got one option on the keys, so it's usually a pretty good read. A1, where's B? B1 on the same side. There we go. most of the way. Oh, that's me. I'm gonna flip it right now before I go any further. Oh no. Shit, can't get it out in this car. I'll read this one upside down.
Wait, it worked. Wait, my car's turning on.
Huh? No, not yet. I'm just picking it up.
There's a radio.
Oh yeah, I turned it forward, yeah. The other one I did today was a different key door ignition, but it was older, so I was able to get the tool out. That one actually started like that. It's a chip key, so we have to program it. I want to see if I can get this out though. Oh yeah, I could. Perfect. Okay, let's see if we can read these cuts now like that. Let's see what we missed. We'll compare notes, you know, kind of like college.
Mm-hmm. Wait, what notes for what?
From the door lock.
Oh, okay.
So that's right. One. 3, 5, empty. That's what I got. And then the B side we got 4,
You have to be really focused.
2. Uh-oh, that's different.
No way.
Why is that 2? 4, 2. How is that so far off? 4, 2, 1. 1, 5. Okay, well that's where I was off. Can I reuse the same key? That's the question. 1, 3, 5, 5. And then we got 4, 4. Ooh, no, I need to use another key. But that was my last key. What do we do?
No way.
Huh? You heard me say that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit. Don't worry. 2020? Don't worry, I'll find something. Alright, well, at least I know where I messed up, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna take this back out now. How was I so far off? Doesn't even make any sense. I read that one as a 3 or 4. Alright, let me pick that off. It's gotta go a little further back.
From Las Vegas. Wait a minute.
You want me to answer it? But what's up, baby?
Hello?
Never mind. Can't see this one.
So it worked?
I'm gonna cut a key. Another key.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I cut that one too deep.
Oh, that's fine.
Unfortunately.
It's okay.
For who?
For me.
Alright. I was gonna say, are you gonna pay for my new key?
What?
I'm just kidding.
Wait, I'm supposed to pay for it?
Shit.
That doesn't sound right.
For which one? The one that I cut
For
wrong?
the one that you messed up on?
Who's supposed to pay for it?
Emphasize, you messed up on? Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. I'll pay for it. No, we're almost off. I'll take it out of your tip money. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I don't ask for tips. I beg for them. No, I'm just kidding. No, we have a good. I gave you a good price. We'll stick to it. Don't worry.
Like, dang. What did I just hear? I'm like, oh, he thinks he's gonna get a tip?
If you try, I won't take it, don't worry. I don't want it.
I would, but like,
No.
you know my situation right now.
What's your situation? I forgot. No, I'm just kidding. Stuck on Tempe at the lake with a random locksmith from YouTube. That's the situation.
You know what I'm going through right now. You know my situation.
Yeah.
And you still want to ask me to, where's your tip?
People are gonna think you're really upset. No, I got you. Don't worry. Should I leave that in or edit that out?
You're not putting any of this on there. I'm telling you right now.
Oh wait, I can't put that even?
Nothing.
Not even your voice?
From start till, I don't know,
I'll tell you what.
till your next one.
I'll send it to you and then you tell me if it's okay. Oh wait, you're really upset?
No, like
Okay,
I'm,
good.
like I'm weak, like it's
Okay,
funny.
okay, good. I heard you sniffle. I'm like not really looking at what you're. I don't see the facial expression, so. I want this coming out. Well, what they want from Vegas? Say it again. Nobody important.
Someone irrelevant.
Someone relevant. Story of my life. Or should I say story of your life? I don't know. You got kids? Where's your family? In Arizona? Nice. There we go. Alright. Alright, let's cut another key. Why'd that key work in your door lock? That's a good question. Who knows? Let me grab my phone. Where is that key? That I miscut. Oh, it's right here. Thanks. Well, she's gonna get lucky because I was giving her a good price for a regular key, but I don't have any more. I used my last one, I broke it, or I cut it wrong, so I can reshell it, blah, 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 or just give her the remote. Give her the remote, I guess. Hopefully I don't cut this one wrong, because I'm really screwed. I have a few of these, I guess. The machine just messed up this key. I'm fucked. Have to reshell it. Look at it. Cut one side. Why did it do that? I didn't lock it down. But it was locked down. It just wasn't tight enough. Oh boy, tonight is just not my night, I guess. Let's find a shell. Only people knew what we go through sometimes to make them a key. Make sure that's where I lock down good. Turning it off and back on again.
Really? So like it works, but you just gotta get in there?
No, I think your door and ignition are different now.
Well, is that the... How did it... So you...
That's the key, yeah. Was your door lock changed?
Huh?
Is your door different?
I literally don't know.
I have a feeling your door and ignition are different. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'm wrong.
How does that happen?
If someone rekeys it, like let's say you don't want someone getting into the car or something. I don't know.
Wait, but you made one key for the door,
Yeah.
and then you made one key for this thing. So can't you use both?
I'm gonna get you started, but crazy enough, when I went to cut your ignition key right now,
Yeah.
my machine didn't hold it right, so I cut two. One of them cut completely wrong. If you watch my YouTube channel, you'll see it.
Please don't tell me you're posting that.
Huh?
Please tell me you're not posting that.
What, my mess up? Absolutely, I'll post it. So you're gonna get lucky, kind of. You know why?
Why?
Because remember I told you that was my last key?
Uh-huh.
I wasn't lying. That was my last key.
How can we narrow this down? Feel his arm and feel his chest.
But I had a remote head key, so I cut you the one with the remote.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'll give you the same price.
Yay. If it works.
No, it'll work. It's working. You're starting to become a non-believer, huh?
I mean, after all these things.
I know. I told you lost your key running. Someone doesn't want you driving. I cut one key, doesn't work in your ignition. Cut the next key, I messed it up. True story.
Oh my god.
Can't make it up. Can I get your reaction or no? No?
Oh my god.
Kinda got it.
Wait, so does that mean that I'm gonna have to be struggling like that to turn my key on, to turn my car on, and to open my door?
No, what I didn't struggle. Look, what?
These past few times we've had to like almost freaking break the door.
Oh, this key didn't work in your door. Let me try it again. The other key works in your door just fine. No, whenever I first cut it, a lot of times it doesn't. You have to like put it in the first time hard, but after that it works fine. But you can try it out. You'll see it works good.
Okay.
But let me try your door. Let me see why it won't work in your door. Let's see if we can get it working. What do you guys say? Rekey? Let me just, you know what? I'll spray it one time with WD-40. Maybe that's all it needs. Well, the remote's working. You want to see the trunk? I won't do. You got stuff on there.
The trunk for what?
The button.
Oh. Yes.
Your door is different.
My door is different from
The ignition.
the ignition,
It's very close. So.
but it's different. How does that happen?
If someone rekeyed it, like I said, if they didn't want someone getting in.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it's not different. Maybe I just jacked it up. Maybe it's the same. Hold on. I'm gonna have to put a pick tool back in there. There we go. Starting to work, guys. Starting to work. Not the other way. I get it to go one time, it'll work, but there we go. We're good. I don't know. Probably the first key that I cut slightly wrong. We're good now. It just needed time to reset.
So this is the official key?
That's the official one.
This one works.
That one works.
Let me see.
Cool.